Hello, my name is Maya. A synovial joint is a freely movable joint exhibiting a joint cavity. It is important to know the movements across the synovial joint because when evaluating your patient as a medical healthcare profession, they are used for documentation and assessing the patient. This is adduction at the shoulder joint or the glenohumeral joint, and this is adduction at the shoulder joint or the glenohumeral joint. This is adduction at the hip joint or coxal joint, and this is adduction at the hip joint or coxal joint. This is flexion at the finger joint or the interphalangeal joint, and this is extension at the finger joint or interphalangeal joint. This is flexion at the knee joint or the tibiofemoral joint, and this is extension at the knee joint or the tibiofemoral joint. This is hyperextension at the shoulder joint or the glenohumeral joint. This is hyperextension at the hip joint or the coxal joint. This is supination at the elbow joint or the radial ulnar joint, and this is pronation at the elbow joint or the radial ulnar joint. This is inversion at the ankle joint or the intersole joint, and this is inversion at the ankle joint or the intersole joint. This is medial rotation at the elbow joint or the ulnohumeral joint. This is lateral rotation at the elbow joint or the ulnohumeral joint. This is plantar flexion at the ankle joint or the intertarsal joint. This is dorsiflexion at the ankle joint or the intertarsal joint. This is protraction at the sternum or clavicle joint or the sternovicular joint, and this is retraction at the sternum and clavicle joint or the sternovicular joint. This is elevation at the jaw joint or the temporomandibular joint. This is depression at the jaw joint or the temporomandibular joint. This is gliding at the wrist joint or the intercarpal joint. This is opposition at the thumb joint or the interphalangeal joint. This is circumduction at the hip joint or the coxal joint. This is circumduction at the shoulder joint or the glenohumeral joint. Thank you for watching this video.